All right, I'm going to make an answer key for this week's exam. I'm going to make 4 separate videos, one for each page, and then if you can find the page where you ran into trouble and figure out what you needed to do. So here we go. Problem number 1, 2 series. Notice the instruction. Find the sum. I'm not asking do they converge or diverge. I'm asking you to find the sum, which means we're looking at a pretty narrow set of possibilities. And given the emphasis in class, not surprisingly, these are both geometric series. The first one is in just absolutely perfect form to be summed. So in general, for geometric series, after we first saw what they are, pretty much from then on, I've encouraged you to think about this. I mean, we find R, we have to have a good R between -1 and 1. And then if we have a good R, then the series converges always, no matter how it's written, as long as it's geometric, and we have a good R value, it converges to the first term over 1 minus R. So to find the first term, we have to look where the index starts at 0 here. So just get 4, plugging in 0. The R value is 3/7. And I believe that simplifies to 7. All right, the second one is not written in such a pretty form, but it's still geometric. It should be clear. Might have to do a little work, but R is 2/5. That's a good R. It's between -1 and 1, so it converges. The first term, again, we're going to find where the index starts and plug it in. So, by the way, the 2 exam questions were, throughout most of the exam, they were slightly different. I don't remember if this is the morning or the afternoon one, but just plug in 2, and I get 8/5. Right? Let me add a little more detail. Maybe. So I plug in 2 and I get 2 to the 2 plus 1. That's a 3. And then I divide by, when I plug in 2 for n on the bottom, I get 2 minus 1 is 1. So I get 2 to the third over 5 over 1 minus 2/5. And then simplify that, as I always did in class, like just cancel out the compound fraction. And I get 8 in the numerator, the 5's cancel. And down below, I distribute the 5, I get 5 minus 2. Right, 5 over here, 5 there, which gets me 8/3. Okay, that's the morning class. The afternoon class, I think I switched the signs, the plus and the minus, and it made a big difference. I don't know, 2/75 sounds right maybe, but check it out. Follow the same process. All right, question number 2, probably the hardest question on the test in terms of number of points